ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। One correction, what is said in the correction to what I said in the last class. This kam dhatu, in fact, I wrote the correct form. The class I changed by mistake because I should have written that sutram, the rule. Probably it was not there. I thought it is common. If this, I also know, we also know it. I took it for granted. Sometimes we we forget one rule and end up in problem. We know that rule very well. You know that the nege entity we know, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Yeah. What is nege entity? When ne means nijanta,
Nijanta.
followed by the pratyaya, adadatuka
Anit.
pratyaya,
Adadatuka.
and it.
Anit.
Then ni lopah bhavati, right?
Mhm.
That is why for Nijanta, what would be generally? Not here. Forget about Sadanta. Nijanta would be anything you take. Suppose you have party, for example. Padda to become party, right?
Party.
Nijanta, party plus nich, what will be the form? Same thing only. Because this is Radhadataka Pratyaya, E, and it follows ni. Therefore, what will happen to this ni, nege, aniti by that? That becomes lopaha. Therefore, part plus C, again party only will get. So, Nijanta will be the same only. Only if Nijanta Rupam will be different. The Dhatu and its Nijanta Rupam. Nijanta Rupam of a Dhatu will be different from the normal form, right? Nijanta will be same only. So, it cannot, because negativity will apply. The same thing here also. Kam Dhatu naturally takes Ning Pratyaya. Kamer Ning, right? Kam Dhatu, first, we should add Ning Pratyaya. Ning, the Kamer Ning by that sutra. Because it is niche, ni. Nit here not to negate Angakarya. It is here for the purpose of ordering Atmane Pada Pratyaya to the Dhatu. That's why Kamayete, right? Kamayete, Kamayante, Rupam. So Upada Vriddhi will happen, therefore by that becomes Kam plus E Kami. Now, after the Kami, when you add Nijanta, then what will be the Nijanta Rupam of this? Same thing, Kami only.
Kami.
Right?
Yeah.
The same thing here with regard to Sun also. Kam Dhatu, come here Ning by that, we get a Ning Pratyaya, and therefore we have a new Dhatu, Kami, Adideshika Dhatu. Now, Sanantarupam of this Kami, already we have derived, that is Chikama Ishate, right? Nijantarupam of this would be, that is Kam plus Ning will be Kami. Kami plus Nich would be what?
Kami only.
Kami
Kami
only.
only.
Yeah.
Instead of that, I did something in the last class. But originally, the typings was correct. I replaced it by mistake in the last class. Why? Because this nege and iti I didn't apply. Then I corrected it. Now you see, kami plus niche. Now kami plus niche plus it plus sun. Nijanta dhatu, what we do? We know. First we do this aladi dhatu, we do the dvitvam, therefore kam plus kami plus niche plus. Of course, dhatu must be said because anekach, therefore itagama isa. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you do apply all the things. That is aladi sheshaha, then rasvaha,
Rasvaha.
koshtuhu, and sanyataha. All those you apply, you get this. Right? Chikami plus niche. Now, niche follows. That is aniti, right? The rule will apply aniti.
Yeah.
Adhatuka pratyaya, which will not take itagama. Now, when aniti follows, what will happen to ni, which is there in kami? That is dropped. Nehe aniti. 6451 will apply. Therefore, you will have chikami plus isa. Then same form you will get chikami isha only. Right?
Excuse me, ji. So first it was said, and then now we have to take it as aniti. Because nehe aniti will apply
No.
aniti only.
Not for aniti. See, that is itagama for sun. That is different. We are not talking about that. We are talking about the angakarya here.
Oh.
Not aniti. I think you understood wrongly. See, chikami plus nich is right. Which can cause angakarya. Yes or no? First you have to do the angakarya here, and then this is becomes anga for isa. Isa can do angakarya. This is of course state only.
Yeah.
Anekashtwats itagama bhavati eva. Now here, why this nege aniti will apply, I say. That is chikami plus niche. In the last class, what I did is I did nijanta because niche follows nitkarya. I did kami become kame kame. I did like that is wrong because nege aniti will apply. Here ni is followed by anit.
Anit.
Anit. See, anit means it's not. If it is valadi, it is said. Anything other than valadi, it has to be anit only, whether it is vowel or yakara.
Okay.
In the case of karmani prayoga and all, we use yak, right? Aniti.
Yeah.
Similarly, that is case of karmani prayoga yak. Not only yakara. What about the vowels? What about the vowels and other, right? So all will be when this follows aniti only, and it's aniti. The condition covers everything other than val. Here E is the content of niche is E, not val. If it is val, then it will take itagama. It is not aniti, it is seti. But here E is a adhadataka pratyaya, not valadi. Therefore, it cannot take itagama. Therefore, it is aniti, anit only. When aniti saptami, aniti follows, ni will become lopaha. Whatever may be the ni, whether it's a ning or nich, whatever it is, ni nehe lopaha bhavati. Therefore, E goes away. Therefore, you will have the same form only. Chikami only you will get. Understand?
Yes.
And what mistake I did was that also I will type. You will have some stupid form. Chikami plus Mitch plus Isa, right? What I did was I did Kami is there. E is Rasva. E will become what when it follows I, Vriddhi. Then Kami plus Nich, E. I plus H will become what? This is Aya Sandhi, Kami,
Yeah.
Chikami, E. Then what will happen when followed by Isa? This also will cause Angakarya. E will become Ye becomes I. Then Yakara plus this. You will have Chika, Ma, Yaisha. This is wrong. This is what I did. I didn't see properly. It's a stupid mistake. Don't do that. Nege aniti will apply. Therefore, you will have the same Rupam, Chikam, Isha only. As we had the form Chikam, Isha here in non-Nijanta, the same thing you will get. That is why he said Nijanta, the Nijanta will be same. Party will become Nijanta party will be party only. You cannot have party become, party E and all, not possible. Nega anity will apply and remove that ni. But chikama isha only you will get. Therefore, chikama isha, chikama ishati. Nijanta rupam of kam dhatu, chikama ishati only. But this is what I have I typed it before. The thing is, I have not mentioned 6451. And therefore, I was just carried away by that and then did Angakarya. That should not be done. Better write the sutra so that you know what it is. I've written the number. Maybe when I get time later, maybe probably I will write the sutra itself. All, not only here, everywhere. Okay. So therefore, this is a point to be noted. Please note this. Chikamaisha is a form. Therefore, kamayitum ichati, chikamayishati, or chikamayishati nijantarupam. Okay. Last class, immediately after the class, I typed, I don't know whether you follow that. I thought I will clarify in the class itself. Okay. Tuddhatu. Tuddhatoho sanantarupam. Simple.
Tututsati.
It is anit dhatu.
Anit dhatu.
Yes. Therefore.
Tututsati or tututsate? It's
yes. Tututsati is good. Tuddut, then of course Karicha will apply.
Karicha.
Because it is anit. Only thing is you have to find out whether it is set or anit.
Yeah.
Once you know, then it's easy. Jeev dhatu also. Jeev dhatu is.
It is set.
It is okay. Jeev dhatu is set.
So it is Jiji Vishati.
Very good. Jiji Vishati. Rasva and then Jiji Vishati.
Yeah.
Nya dhatu, which we saw. Nya dhatu would be.
Dhatu is
Jnatum icha jignasa.
Jignasate.
It is anit. So therefore, sanyataha. Aladesha sanyataha jignasati. Jignasate. It is
how that dirgha comes for gneep. That doubt I have written. See, gnyale gnyap plus adellame pandrilla. So when gneepsa, we have written gneepsa. How that dirgha comes?
Dirgha. Dirgha, how you get Gita? Oh, that is 7-4 section, that Agnya, Eat, that Sutram is there? 1 minute, I'll take the Sutra part. Dirghatvam Bhavati. Okay.
Oh, 7-4-54. Mima Ghur.
By that, Atra Abhyasasya Lopaha. Abhyasasya Lopaha, that is why you have, then it is 1 matter. I don't recollect immediately, maybe it's
I just wrote. But you're given in the notes is there.
Yeah, it is there. Yeah, here is the 7-4-55. That's one. Eat. Abdata also same thing, right? Aptamicha, Ipsa. Similarly, Nyap also is there. Nyap is that Pukkagama comes. Then A is replaced by E. Therefore, you have eat. Right? Nijanta Rupam of Nyadatu. Nyadatu, Akarana Dhatu, therefore Pukkagama will come. Pitam Rasvaha will apply. He enjoys Mithya Sanya, right?
Okay.
Therefore, Nyap, that's why Nyap is there. Then by this sutra, of course, Abhyasasya Lopaha happens, right? Atra Lopa Abhyasasya 58 will apply. Then 55, this will apply. Then that Achi will be replaced by, that Akara will be replaced by E. Therefore, you will have Neep, Nipsa, Nipsa.
So by 7-4-55, that this one will come, no?
Yes, I think we did. It will be here. Yatum Icha. Gipsyamana. Where we did Akaranta Dhatu, Nya Dhatu. 1 minute. Okay, Nijanta. Nijanta means it must be here only. Yeah, here it is. We see. Nya plus nich, Pukkagama comes by 7-3, 36. Then mitam rasvaha nyap. Then we can do duplication and then atra abhyasasya lopaha bhavati.
Okay.
7-4-58 and 7-4-54. 7-4-58 atra abhyasasya lopaha. By 7-4-54, this is a sutra.
Sir,
What we saw now.
me ma ghura is will
Huh?
come, sir. 7-4-54
No.
is
That is will come for those dhatus which are given in that. Mi, ma, gu sanyaka
then
dhatu.
that
Mi dhatu.
sutra number we have to change, I think. So because me ma gura that will come.
Yeah.
But here E will come, no. So
E only will come. 55. What I have written. Okay,
7,
number is there. Okay. Fine. 55. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Number is problem. Yes.
Okay, now understood.
Okay. Neat. So neat, then Nipsa. So when we do this, you get Nisa. And one minute. Yeah, we are doing Anit Paksha, right? Here we are having two Paksha, It Paksha, Anit Paksha. That's why Itagama doesn't come here. Itagama doesn't come. And Aniti. So Aniti is therefore the Ni becomes Lopaha. Nipi, I have not written Nipi, that Ni becomes Lopaha, right? This Nich become Lopaha because of Aniti.
Nehe.
Maybe later this confusion will come. I will write like this. Let's just see that you can write Nich cannot cause any Anga Karya, becomes Nipi, right? Nipi, Nipi, that E is there. That is Ni, followed by Aniti, Adadatuka Pratyaya, but it is Anit, therefore E becomes Lopaha, therefore Nipsa, right?
Yes.
Whereas Itpaksha I have done already. Why it gets Itpaksha and Itpaksha? Because of this Sutram. Here we have Nepisanam, Nya Avabodhane. So it is Vikalpena it. But when you will have Nyap, Nyadatu, Akaranda Dhatu, right? Nyapi is given in the Sutram. Pukkagama will come.
Then which follows, no?
Only when it follows. Therefore, it is
Follows,
not Nijanta Dhatu. Otherwise, Jnadhato Sanantarupam is Jignasa. So in the Sutra 7-49, therefore Nyapi is given. Therefore, we can know from the form it must be for Nijanta Jnadhatu, right? Then only it will have Pukkagama. Please note. Otherwise, it's Jignasa. Jnatam Icha, Jignasa. Here, Jnapayitam Icha, right? Jnapayitam Icha, yeah. Sorry, Jnapayitam, not Jnapayitam. Jnapayitam Icha, Nipsati or Jignapayishati. Two forms. Okay. Let us continue. We will do some exercise. Then so we need to go through whenever we get time. Otherwise, Sananta will not. It's also will not stay. We have to keep on refreshing ourselves.
But how to remember?
Only, and you will see in many commentaries. Commentary to any Prakarana Grantha, you will see the beginning itself. They say Ipsuhu, Prepsuhu, and all will come. Somewhere, some in the shloka or in some kavya, etc., it will come. Then you will scratch your head. What is this? Nipsyamanaha, it comes in Sutra itself. So
we have to memorize.
Not
So,
at least some. See, some for say 50 or 100 dhatus, which we use frequently. those Sananta Rupam we can know it.
Yes.
So the most frequently used dhatus, pat, for example, pat, kad, etc. We can use. We can remember those dhatus which we use frequently. I'm saying only 50 to 100 dhatus, not more. Those forms or this table. This table. Attamicha Jigatsa. This table itself will have, I think, about more than 200. I don't know, maybe.
No, more than that, I think.
So
Days, I
by
couldn't finish it actually.
just reading, just read, Attamicha Jigatsa. Jigatsa, I remember. That's enough. Then Gantamicha Jigamisha. This is for Gam Dhatu as well as In Dhatu. This you will see this usage, Jigamisha. Each and all, okay, if you can know it, otherwise it's not required. But Ab Dhatu, you have to highlight some dhatu which are important. Ab dhatu, ipsa, it's important. And Kat and Kamp are not required. Kartimicha, Chikirsha, you can note like that. Those are all important dhatu. And similarly, Ship, Kshuband not required. Kad, okay, you can note. Gantamicha, Jigamisha. Gakhandal not required, just for sake of doing, we are doing. Gai, Gatamicha, you can say Jigasati. Then, so like that, Chichalisha, Charitum Icha. So you can decide which one you feel like having. Jidatu comes in Gita, Jigisha, Jigishatam. So you can, right? So if you filter, then not even 50 will come. So you can remember this forms. So whenever your time or daily one dhatu, just see the form.
Yes. 5 dhatus we can take.
We can take and just like developing the vocabulary. But we have to use it actually. So we need to do a lot of practice. No? The language, we read lessons on Monday, right? Monday or Friday. Those sentences we can just try to convert into Sananta Rupam. Then it will be Sananta is one. Then after that we have to see Yanganta, Yang Lukanta, frequentative, intense, frequentative or intensification, intensifying, that intensely doing, punaha, punyena, that is Yanganta, Yang Lukanta. That form also we need, but that is not much complicated because we have seen Sananta, therefore the same thing, except some abhyasa, special abhyasa karya is that we need to know. And that is not for all the dhatu. Thank God, not that. It's only for, it's limited to certain dhatus only. Yeah. We will see that. Now, Jwal dhatu. Jwal will be, Aladisheshaha become Ji.
G.
G. So Jijwalishati.
Simple. Jijwalishati. Unless any special rules are there, the form, what you do, it will be correct only. Okay. Tad dhatu.
It's a tenth kana. So Tithada Ishati.
Simple. Tithada Ishati. Right. Tan dhatu. Okay. Tan dhatu also.
Titanishati. Or
this wait dhatu.
It's a
That's why two forms we have. Titam sati.
Titanishati or Titana Ishati.
No, Titam sati, right?
Yeah. Titam
sati. Jali will apply. Then then Nakara will become Anuswara. It is, if you take it as Anit, Titam sati. Or Tita ni Nakara plus Isha Sheda Tita nishati.
One more form also is
one more form also is there. Very good. Okay.
Dirga. Titam sati.
Dirga. Titan sadhanan.
That also you want to know it. Titam sati. How does it become Dirga? Have we done this? Tandatu.
We have done.
How does it become Dirga? Any idea? I don't remember really. Sanskritam is never ending. You can probe and probe and probe. So many things will come up.
Tanotir vibhasha, by that.
Tanotehe vibhasha. Okay. That is the sutram familiar. Tanotehe vibhasha, by that you get dirghatam.
Yeah. Then tan will be there. Then haladi sheshaha, everything. Titan will come. Titan
Okay.
samjati.
Okay. Tanotehe vibhasha, tandato vibhasha optionally. It's only for anit form. Anit, yeah. Yeah. Because Sani Jalado is there. Therefore, Vibhasha Dirgha Bhavati. Okay, that's simple one. Tanote Vibhasha, you can see. For the Anit form. Optionally, Tanote Vibhasha 6-4. 6-4 is Dirgha, right?
6-4, 17.
Yeah, 6-4 section is Dralope Purvasya Dirgha Anaha. From that,
Yeah,
this is a
that
Dirgha
will come.
section. So 6-4, 17. Jalado Sani Pare. So therefore, it's for Anit Akshay. Tan will get dirgha. What will get dirgha? Tan means we have to apply the paribhasha achaha only. Achaha and paribhasha we saw right long back. So that bubble of the anga will get dirghatam. That is a vikantam. Okay. Titam sate. Patitam sati. This is titam sati anit paksha. It paksha, of course, it is titanishati. Fine. Next one. Tushdatu. Tushdatu. Which gana? Fourth conjugation, right?
Tutukshati, that is.
Fourth conjugation, I have not written.
Yeah.
SP.
It's a fourth parasmaipadi and anit.
Fourth parasmaipadi. Here, A is Atmanepadi, I think. Parasmaipadi, Ubepadi, I have written. I should have written whether it is anit or said. Anyway, that is better, I think. Okay, anyway, this is said. Therefore, form would be 2 will become.
Tush is anit, no? It's anit. So tutukshati of it.
So
the shadoho kaha and all that.
Yes, exactly. Sure. Yes, that will apply. And it means shadoho kaha si will apply. Then shatum. Tutukshati. It means toshitum.
Toshtum ichati.
Yeah, toshtum ichati. Yes, toshtum.
Is tutukshati.
And trudhatu, which is in the first conjugation, right? Through tarati shokam. It is first conjugation. It is 1, 3. So tr become taritum or taritum also is there. Ichati iti. Tr will become it is anit dhatu. Therefore rutaha id dhatoha, by that become tir. Then irvaho padaya dirgha ekaha will apply, right? So abhyasa is ti.
So titir
titir repa followed by vowel alicha. That is irvaho padaya dirgha ekaha. Alicha sutram is there.
Alicha, yeah.
So that will apply. Upada will become dirgha. Therefore titir. Then shatam happens. Titir shati, right?
Yeah.
So titir shati. Taritum icha, tartum icha, or taritum icha. Tartum icha, taritum icha.
It's
taritum.
This is
tartum, not tartum, no? It is
taritum
or taritum. Two forms are there. I remember taritum. So taritum somewhere seen that form. You can check the website also. The tum pratyaya would be taritum icha is there. Taritum or taritum, not tartum. It is a set dhatu. For this dhatu, it is anit. For sananta, it is it is anit. We have vrutaha va. That sutra is by that. Rukarandatu will take optionally eat agama. Therefore, taritum icha. Okay, that is fine. We have seen that in some context. Okay. But the dhatu is said, but why doesn't get itagama here? Itagama is negated by, there must be some rule which negating itagama. What is that rule in the San Prakriya? You have to get Vyavastha for Sun. Just special rule for this. Itagama is negated. Vishesha itagama. Radadibhyascha. I'm not sure whether it is the one. And Radadi Antargana, is it there? Possible. But for the 7 to 45, okay. Radadi Antargana will take itagama optionally. So that cannot be. Rikaranta dhatu, and it is said dhatu. This is what the difficulty is. You have to find out whether it's said or every time you have to see the document. Anyway, let us see. That Ugantanam sani pratyaya ittagama na bhavati. Okay. So desiderative son doesn't get agama yet after the roots ending with ukara or ukara, rikara or rikara. By this rule, through, right, will not get itagama. Understand?
Okay.
Maybe we would have done this rikaranta dhatu under ajanta dhatu. Please check this file itself. Ajanta dhatu in the beginning we must have done. Okay, let us see. Ajanta dhatu comes. Where we mentioned this. All these are ajadi dhatu. Okay. Through dhatu. Let me find out. Here it is. Through. Okay. Through we have Tita Rishati, Taritam Ichati, Dirga Pakshe, Titarishati. Two forms are there. Anit Pakshe, this is Set Pakshe. Yeah, Set Pakshe. Anit Pakshe, Titirshati. This is what we did. Taritam Ichati, Titirshati. So, there are many forms are there, right? Through dhatoho. It is said dhatu and it pakshe rasve. When you do rasvam, rasve. That is rikaranta dhatu will take itagama optionally.
Yeah, you've done Isa also, 7 to 38.
Yes. So optionally, so rasva itagama, rasva it, then dirga is E will come by 7 to 38. So this is it paksha, and anit pakshe. Anit pakshe the rupam is good. Therefore, three forms are there. It paksha, two forms. Anit paksha, one form. Totally three forms. Right.
Yes.
So dhatu
Yes,
is
Titarishati.
yeah.
Titirshati.
Titarishati first will be.
So when
Then
san
it will be
pratyaya follows,
Titarishati.
itagama will not come. For these dhatus, san pratyaya follows, itagama will not come. Sani graha gugoscha by 7 to 12. This I think I've written here. 7 to 100. Let me see again. Through Plavana Taranayoho, Vadigana Parasmai, it is said. State is one. Okay. If it is said, then Anit Pakshe, how does it get Anit Paksha? Anit Pakshe, we have by 7 to 9. I've written the Sutram here. Sutram 7 to 9,
7
it is
to 9,
Anit.
yeah.
So 7 to 9 says T to Tra, Sa, one Sutram is there. Please check, see that. So 7 to 9. T to Trata, Sit, Su, Saraka, Saityeteshu, Kritsu, Itah, Mahanabhavati. And Itagama is not taken by these pratyayas. T to Tra, Si, Su, Sara, Sa. Then last one, number 10. San is Unadi pratyaya. Okay, then Sa is not sun. One minute, what is the Su, Sara? How 7 to 9? 7 to 9 or Sutram? Okay, 1 minute. Let me check. I have written all the forms. The website, how many forms are given? Let me check. Titarishati, Titarishati, Titirishati. Okay. 3 forms are given. So that's what 3 forms we also have done. 7 to, if you see 7 to 41. Please see 7 to 41. It's Saniva. Rikaranda Dhatu, when followed by San, Itagama will be optional. This is the Sutra. So, Vrtaha, Sanaha, Itagama, Vikalpena Bhavati. Here, the 3 forms are given. 7 to 41. So, therefore, here we will have Vikalpena it for Rikaranda Dhatu. Titirshati, Titarishati, which is without, this is Titirshati with no Itagama on it. This is said. So here we have Rasva and Dirga, that Paksha. It Saniva. This is not 7 to 9. It's a mistake.
Oh, 7
Oh,
to
yeah.
41.
Sorry, I'm showing wrong screen. You can see here. This is a sutra. It Saniva. That is Rikaranda Dhatu. You know, when the San Pratyaya for Rikaranda Dhatu will take Itagama optionally. So 7 to 41, not 7 to 9. Maybe mistake. So by 7 to 35, it will take Itagama. That is one thing, Rasva. Then 7 to 35 Itagama takes, and 7 to 38, by that Itagama comes Dirgha Paksha, Rasva Dirghe. Then Anit Paksha, it is not 7 to 9. I think it's copy paste problem maybe. 7 to 9. So it must be 7 to 41.
It's Saniva.
So it's not 7 to 9. 7 to 41, Itagama is.
But G, even for Pr Dhatu, you're given 7 to 9. I think we have to see.
7 to
The
9
previous one, 16th also, we have discussed.
Same copy paste problem maybe, you know. Pridhatu, it pakshe 7 to 35, fine one. 7 to 35, 38. Then Anit pakshe 7 to 9. I think from here only the problem. This sun paratsa, what is given in 7 to 9 is not for this sun. It is for the Unadi sun, not for this sun parataya. So 7 to 40, I'll change it. 41, right? 41 is. So it paksha already done. Therefore, Anit paksha, within bracket, I'll write Anit. Anyway, Anit only we are doing Anit paksha. Anit, it is already done. This is 7 to 41. 7 to 9, not possible. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's from Mr Dhatu, you must have copy paste thing is there.
From
Mr Dhatu, there also you've written Mr, it becomes the previous one.
Yeah, you see the screen here. Yeah. Yeah. But 7 to 9 is not applicable at all, right?
That is what
I don't know. Maybe it's 1 to 9, 7 to 9. I think you can see this. Some copy
even
paste
for
problem.
Kr, you have done Kr also, the previous one. Yeah, Kr. I think
Kr
it starts
also.
from.
All Rikaranta Dhatu we have to see now. 7 to 10 it must be. Yeah.
Yeah, you that day we changed to 7 to 10. I have written in my pencil that 7 to 10.
Yeah, so not 7 to 9.
Yeah.
7 to 10 is Ekajaha Upadeshe.
That's what I
That
written.
Anugata will be 7 to 10. That is proper. Yeah. Because that negates Itagama, right? 7 to 10. So we have to apply 7 to 10. Okay. Either 7 to 10 or 7 to 35. That is what these 7 to 41 says. 7 to 41, that is Vrutaha, Itva, that is 41, it Saniva says. Either 7 to 35 or 7 to 10. Okay. It must be 7 to 10.
For Mr plus Sun, I changed it to 7 to 10.
Yes.
I've written there 7 to 10.
7 to 49, I think this is proper. 7 to 49, 7 to 35. Yeah. So you can change for all Rikaranta Dhatu. It means I have to change everywhere. Okay. Not 7 to 39. I think it's a mistake. I change it. So this is 7 to 10 and 7 to 10 to Dhatu. And here also through Dhatu, 7 to 10. Copy pasted from the previous one. That's why it's coming. This is also 7 to 10. And 6, 7 to 35. Through Dhatu, 7 to 35. Through Dhatu, 7 to 35. 7 to 35, Through Dhatu. Rikaranta Dhatu. 7 to 35 is applied because 7 to 41 makes it optionally it. And here it is. Yeah, same thing, 7 to 41. 7 to 41 use optional ittom. When Itagama, Pakshe, Itagama is ordained by 7 to 35. Anit Pakshe, Itagama is denied by 7 to 10. So 7 to 10 denies Itagama. Okay, then similarly here also 7 to Rikara Dhatu, 7 to 41. By that Itahama is optional. 7 to 41, 7 to 35. The same thing here. By 7 to 10. Anit Pakshe, 7 to 10. Just this, I did it now. 7 to 10, Itahama is negated. Yes. So we have three forms of Titir Shati. Okay, I corrected the number. Not 7 to 9. 7 to 9 is not applicable at all. So three forms. Anyway, one form itself is it's enough. Three forms. Titir Shati is enough. Tyajidhatu will become Tyaj. Aladisheshaha, Ti. Then Tit Anidhatu, I think. Tyaj.
Yeah.
Because
So it
Tyaktum.
will be
See, to find out
Tityakshati.
Anid, if you take the Tumananta,
Uh-huh.
Tyaktum is there, right? So you don't
Yeah.
have to see every time the Sutra Pata or Dhatu Pata. You can directly find out from the Tumananta. Tyaktum only is there. That's not Tyajitum. Therefore, Anit. So Anit, therefore, Ti Chogoku will apply,
Oh,
right? Then
Tyaktum.
Tityakshati. Ti Takara will be there. That Ta become Ti Aladisheshaha Takara, then Ti Tityakshati. Yes. Kuttam followed by Jakara will become Gakara, then Karicha at the end, before that Shatpam, then Karicha. Dandadhatu, 10th conjugation. So
That will be Didanda Ishati.
Didanda Ishati. Already we have
Or
done for
Ishati. Yeah.
Dandayitum Ichati Didanda Ishati. Damshdhatu. Damshdhatu is
Anit only. So Didamshati.
Damshtum Ichati. Yes. So Aladisheshaha, it will be
The
D Dam.
D will come. So Didamshati. That will become Anuswarasya Parasavana. So
Anuswarasya Parasavanaha will happen
after it
only
becomes
when
Nascha Padantasthali, after it happens.
No, it is Anit, right? Therefore,
Yeah.
Shakaranta Dhatu. Shakara will become Murdanya Shakara. Murdanya Shakara, after that Shadoko Kakasi. Then become Kakara. Then Anuswarasya Parasavana will apply.
Anuswarasya. So Didamshati.
Because this is not Yai letter. Shakara should become a Yai letter. When it become a letter, the Shakaranta Dhatu, when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam, Brashya Sraja Brajya, that will apply. By that it becomes Shakara. Then Shadoka Kakasi will apply. By that becomes Kakara. Then Anuswara Parasavana can be applied. Right?
Yeah.
So Anuswara will become Na. So Dang
Didamshati.
Yes. Dang Shati. Daidatu. I think must be said, right? Dayitum. So Dida.
Some I've done,
Dida
some
Ish.
I've not done. Whatever the translations I wanted,
Dida Ishati. Simple. Atmanipadi Dida Ishati. This is simple. Okay. With this we will stop. Dagdatu. Dagdatu. Dakaradi Dhatu. Dag is Anit Dhatu.
Yeah, it's Anit. So Didakshati.
What is Dag plus from Dagdum, right? Dagdum Ichati.
Yeah.
So we'll have two forms, no? Dade Dhatu or Gaha. What are two forms will be there?
Oh, I wrote only one.
But the thing is, both the form, Akara will become Dakara, Dakara, Shadoka Kakasi becomes Kakara. Even if it is Kakara, then also become Kakara only. So I think both the forms
will
will
be
be
same.
Only one.
Didakshati. Only one form. I mean, both the
Same
form for Gatva Pakshe and Dattva Pakshe. Dadatu. Dadatu is Dhatu, Anit Dhatu. Therefore,
Ditsati, no? That Dhatu Ichati is Ditsati.
This is a good Dhatu. Therefore,
Yeah.
Atra Apyasasya Lopaha Bhavati, right?
Lopaha.
The Gu is given Mima Gu. Gu Sanyika Dhatu. Therefore, Ditsa. Dhatamicha.
Ditsati.
Ditsati. That is form. So this Dhatu you can note. And Dirghatum Dirghatam also is the Dida.
I think it's
Ditsa.
same, no, just Ditsati only. Dadati, the Datum Ichati for Dadata. That also will
Yeah,
be same.
Datum Ichati. Aladi become the Lopaha. Yeah, Dida Sati Abhyasasya Lopaha na bhavati. Ditsati form we know. Atra Abhyasa Lopaha. Then A
So here
becomes
it won't
E.
happen. Okay.
But other one Da is Dida Sati Adida Site. Have we done this dhatu, da dhatu? We must
I
have
think
done.
we have done, but I've
Same
written
form.
same. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Huh?
I've
Same.
written same, but
Same.
I don't know how. I forgot now.
Okay, very good. I also don't remember. Only Ditsa I remember. Atra Lopa Abhyasasya. That Ata. Sorry, it will come in the place of A.
Sahasyardha dhatuke by that the sakarasya takara will come.
Yeah, that is okay. Yeah, Sahasya Dhatike Sakarasi is in the place of A. Sakara replaced by Takara. Therefore, you have Ditsa.
Yeah.
Like Attamicha, not Attamicha, other one. Ipsa, Optimicha, Ipsa. Similar like this one. But how do we get another form? This is Anit Dhatu, Dida Sati. Okay, let us find out how. Okay, then that sutra I think we have to check. The sutra we need to check. Okay, 1 minute. Let's check the sutra. 7.
Here also the Atra Lopus here will not happen. The me,
Huh?
non, who. Here
No,
also it won't happen, is it?
No. Okay, I understand. Before I see, we have to find out what are the Gusanya. That's the thing. Okay. Two
Da.
forms are there. The Gusanya, Dada, Godap is there, right? So you see, what are that 8 dhatus enjoys Gusanya. So which excludes the Da dhatu of Jugotyadikana, I think.
Oh.
So Dadha,
Yeah.
Gada.
Yes.
Yeah, Dab dhatu is excluded. Dap is not there. So this Da dhatu, what we take is Dane dhatu we can take. So how many dhatus are there? We see. Da dhatu which is there in Dane, Vadikana, Dap, Lavane, Dudanch, Jugotyadi. So in all the cases it is Anit only, right? But in the file it is only Da dhatu alone is the Da dhatu of which kana? Da dhatu, I mean Dan, Dap, Da. Not all enjoys Gusanya. Dadha, Godap. Excepting Dap. Dap is Lavane, Adadigana is excluded. Do not enjoy Gusanya. Therefore, Atra Abhyasasya Lopaha Nabhavati. Therefore, we have Dajasati. Right? Whereas other two, one enjoy Gusanya, therefore Lopaha. Dan will become Ditsa. Similarly, Jugotyadikana, that also become Ditsa. Right? Here it happens to be Ubhayapati, therefore Ditsati or Ditsate. Whereas the Dap Dhatu, which is there in Adadigana Lavane, that do not enjoy Gusanya, Dada Godap. Therefore, we don't, no, Lopa Abhyasasya will not apply. That is why two forms are there. So you can maybe note here.
Actually,
So that's what I have written. I have clearly see 1P is Didatsati, Ditsati or Ditsate. That is 1P. Whereas 3P, Jugotyadi. For Jugotyadi,
it should be same, no, Ji. That's
Dai
what I was
Dane.
saying. That's Dane, Da, it's
yeah.
Gusanya. So here it
For
will be
1P,
same, I think.
yeah. Then for 2, 1 it should not be. Okay, I think that is mistake. For 1P and 3P it is same.
Same,
whereas this one is for, not for that. Okay, I'll write here. 1P and 3PA Didasati, and next one is second conjugation, right?
Yeah, Adadi.
Adadigana, which is Parasmai Padidatu. 2P. The form would be Didas. I write here again. So now you can see 1P Ditsati only. I think first conjugation is Parasmai Padidatu, right? Dandane Parasmai Padi.
Yeah.
So therefore, no te. Third conjugation, it is Ubepadi.
Ubepadi.
Therefore,
Yeah.
Ditsati or Ditsate. Second conjugation, it is not a gu at all. Therefore, Didha Sati or Didha Sate. Okay. Right. Okay. I think this after this. You please go to the file. Any the sutra correction is there, let me know on numbers. Because while doing the class, I just copy pasted from the previous one, so there could be some mistakes. If you have time, please go through leisurely. Anyway, we will see the Sananta again in our Ashtadhyayi Pravesha class for others. Time again, second round. I don't know whether we will have time to do it elaborately, but we will do something. But it will be easy for you that time. Okay, now let us do the translation. There are about 60 sentences. The horses want to run towards the river to drink water. So you have to use, first I use, no, horses want to run is there. Therefore, we have to use desiderative only. Start with the Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam is the horses want to run. So we have to start with the Sananta only. Sentence is
It's a dav dhatu.
Want.
So didavishanti.
Didavishanti.
Dadatu di.
Didavishanti.
Is it
Didavishanti.
Davitum, suppose said, right?
Yeah.
Didavishati, right?
Shanti, because of horses, so Ashvaha.
Bahuvachanam is there.
Bhagavachanam. So Ashvaha.
Jalam patum.
Jalam
Nadim
patu.
prati didavishanti.
Nadim prati didavishanti.
So Swatantraha Karta, by that Kartakaraka, Pratama Vibhakti, right? Abhigita Karta. Then R says Didavishanti towards where?
Prati,
Nadim.
Nadim prati.
Nadim Prati. Nadi is what Karaka then?
It's a karma karaka over here.
No, Prati is there, right?
This is
So it is
upapada
upapada.
vibhakti, na? Prati. Upapada.
Yeah, it is Nadim Prati towards the river. Therefore, Upapada is, see, Karaka Vibhakti Gariyasi. Karaka Vibhakti will overrule Upapada Vibhakti. But here it run towards the river. So Prati is used, and so if the destination is the river, then it is Upapada, it is Karaka Vibhakti. It is towards the river. So I think it must be Karaka Vibhakti.
Yeah, anyway
yeah.
to overrule, Roji. So it is.
Yeah. Prati, the word is used because it is towards, but Nadi is a destination, right?
Yeah.
So Nadi is the karma. So Nadim Prati. So when the moment is mentioned, the towards, then we use the word Prati. Because the word Prati is there, therefore Nadi, if you say, but Nadi is the karma, it's the destination, right? So we will take Nadim as the karma karaka. It's not because of the Prati Ditya is governed. Nadim, Vida Vishanti, they go to the river. And Prati is used because it is run towards, therefore Prati. Without Prati, suppose if I don't use Prati, then what is the meaning?
Nadim.
Like Ashvaha, like Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Ramaha Vanam Prati Gacchati. There's a subtle difference. Vanam Prati Gacchati goes towards the forest, but not to the forest. That again,
you make it very specific, no?
Yeah, he goes to the forest, then Vanam is karma. But Vanam Prati means goes towards the forest, but not to the forest. He may go towards the forest, but destination is not the forest, right?
Forest, yeah.
Then Prati will be Prati will govern that destination, that place of reach will be in Dvitiya, that is Upapada Vibhakti. here, similarly, here we can, but here it goes to the river to drink water, right? Therefore, we can take Nadi
Towards,
to be,
listen, Inge also towards the river only. To the river they are not.
but it goes to the river only. I mean, fine, even though English towards the river, but it goes to the river to drink water, right?
இங்க
Not
to the river
towards the
மாதிரி
river.
தான் இருக்கு இல்ல?
Destination is to the river, right?
ஆமா.
So Nadim, then Prati we use to make give the sense that towards. But it is not Upapada Vibhakti. As I understand, it must be Karmakaraka, Karmakarakatva Dvitiya Vibhakti. Prati is Avya. Right? Prati is Avya. Nadim Prati gives a meaning of that it goes towards the river in English. See, I think Ramaha Vanam Gachati, right? So for their destination is very clear. Vanam Prati Gachati, can you say that Vana is a destination? No, we cannot say, right? He goes towards the forest, but Vana is not the destination. The meaning is slightly different. So,
Yeah, you can go anywhere near the forest.
so the destination, if it is very, Vanam, then Vanam is Karmakaraka. So, when Upapada and Karaka Vibhakti, both are applicable. Upapada is overruled by Karaka. So I think, therefore, we have to take Nadi to be Karmakaraka. Prati is the word Aviya. Not because of the Prati Nadi is put in Dvitiya. Nadi is the destination. Therefore, it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Prati is just Aviya, gives a sense of towards.
And they are on the way. They have not reached. They have not reached the Nadi.
What about Ramaha Vanam Gachati? On the way to Vana? Same thing will come, right?
To the river போட்டாலும் it's going to be the same.
Same meaning, no? The horses run to the river to drink water. That's because the word towards is there, I think the Prati we use. Nadim Dida Vishanti is also, it's okay. The destination is river. So Jalam Patum, right? Ashvaha, Nadim Prati, Jalam.
Jalam Patum, Nadim Prati, Dida
Vishanti.
Jalam Patum, okay. Can be used Sanantada. To drink water. It is thirsty means then we can use. Okay, one more word we can use. The horses which are thirsty.
So Jalam Pipasantaha, Ashvaha, Nadim Prati.
Very good. Pipasu, I have to say.
Oh, Pipasu.
Not Shatranta.
I made it as Shatranta, yeah.
Patum Ichuhu.
Ichuhu illiye.
Ichuhu.
No, I'm just adding. Can use, I'm saying. Okay, I'm just adding. Pipasa, Pipasu.
To add Ichudo.
Pipas.
Only one is enough.
It's not there, just adding. Pipasavaha, Ashvaha. Okay, fine. Then she likes to work, okay, to get happiness. Likes to work. Krudatu.
Chikirshati.
So, sa
chikirshati.
Sa santosham praptum.
Sukham praptum. Aptum or praptum.
So, okay, sukham, aptum.
Sukham.
Aptum.
Santoshartham also.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Sukham, praptum, aptum, labdum, whatever it is. Chikeshati is
Karyam chikeshati.
Like to work. Karyam chikeshati.
Or they also we can use. Na? Kru is Ubhayapadi.
Yeah.
Chikeshati.
Or chikirshate also.
Yeah.
Karyam, yes, you have to say. Karyam likes that kartum ichchati, karyam kartum ichchati, chikirshati. Karma kartum ichchati. Karyam or karma, whatever it is, right? Action. Karma chikirshati, therefore sukhamaptum, karyam or karma chikirshati. Sukhamaptum chikirshati, kartum ichchati. Kim kartum ichchati, karma kartum ichchati. Similarly, Ida Vishanti is a karmaka dhatu, therefore we cannot ask that. Next one. The crow sitting on the tree wants to eat fruits. Wants to eat.
So
Kaditum.
eat. Kakah chikadishati.
Chika di
Shati.
kadi. Chikadishati, right? Ekavachanam. Sitting on the tree.
Vrikshe upavishta. Kakah vrikshe upavishta. Sitting. Actually, what is the Sananta Rupam for sit?
Upavishan.
Yes.
Upavishan kakah.
Upavishan kakah. Vrikshe upavishan kakah.
Vrikshasya upari, okay.
Yeah, that also we can use. Yes, Vrikshasya upari also we can say. Why not? Vrikshasya upari upavishan kakah.
Palani chikadishati.
Or kakaha first we can write. Kakaha vrikshasya upari upavishan.
Shatranta is that's why I put it like this.
Okay.
Shatranta is always an adjective to the substantive, right? Therefore,
okay.
Or upavishtaha and pollama. Kakaha vrikshe
sitting on the tree, right?
Oh, that will be better.
We can use, we can say, why not? Because Vartamane api tha pratyaya is used. Vartamane tha, one sutram is there. Ta pratyaya, we have seen bhute karmani, right?
Yeah.
Bhute, bhutakala and karmani it is used. But we need to see ta pratyaya also. Vartamane, tasya cha vartamane. Sutram is that 2, 3, 67? No, Vartamane, okay. This is comes and this is vibhakti section. Vartamana vegitasya prayoge shashti vibhakti bhavati. Okay, this is Vartamanitha is that the sutra is on that. Vartamanitha, somewhere it is Nitaha Taha. I think 3 to 187, 3 to yeah, Neet Radha Dhatoha Vartamane Atikta Pratyaha Bhavati. You can say like this, Vartamane. But this is for the Dhatu which is having Ni as a Ita letter.
Oh, okay.
Vartamane. Bhute Nishta Vigita Vartamane cha na prapnoti vidiyate. Vartamane Bhute Nishta Vigita Vartamane cha na prapnoti iti vidiyate. Vartamane taha. Okay, we can say Upavishtaha is we can say because here it is present sitting on the tree. So sitting on the tree, we have the two actions are simultaneously done. That's why it is upavishan. Or vrikshe upavishtaha kakaha. You can say
that's what I've written here. Vrikshe
also
upavishtaha kaka palani chikadishati everything.
Palani kaditum ichchati. Yes. Why not? We can say.
But sittak, what is Ananta Rupamji?
Vishdhatu. Already we have seen vivekshati, right? Something?
Oh, Viveksh. Okay.
Vivekshati, right?
Thinking, oh, Vivekshati is it? Vivikshati. No?
Vivekshati or vivekshati?
Upavishad. Upa also we should add.
Upa will come. Of course, Upa will come. But what is the Vishdhatu? Vivikshati, right?
Vivikshati, yeah. Vivikshati.
Tattvam happens and then Shadoho.
Shadohokaha also happens. So it will be Vivikshati.
Vivikshati. So Upa Vivikshati. Can take Upasarga, right? Viviksha is Dhatu. After forming the Dhatu, we need to add the Upasarga. Viviksha the Dhatu.
Yeah.
Upa Vivikshati. Upaveshtum Ichchati. Upa Vivikshati. Yes, you can say. Oh, you want with Upasarga also? Okay, we can do.
Yeah.
Running after the king, the servants want to serve him. Okay. wants to serve. That is save. Save dhatu. Sevate.
Sise
Sise
vishante.
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 I think we did no. Sise.
Yeah, Sise vishante. Because it's Rajnyah, the
Okay.
servants, no? So
Servants.
Dasaha.
Bahuvachan.
Sise
Dasaha.
vishante, right?
Yeah.
Save is Atma.
Save
Atma.
is Atmanepadi.
Atmanipadi. So sevakaha.
Sevakaha sise vishante.
Tam Sivesh. Okay. Tam Ragyam. Okay. Running after the king. Shatranta, you put it now. Running after the king.
Anugachanta.
Davantaha.
Davantah.
Rajnyah.
You need not put retrograde. Anugachantaha is fine.
Oh,
Anugachan. Anugachan, gachantav, gachantaha, anugachantaha. Ragyam. Ragyam or what?
Rajanam.
Rajanam, no?
That is not Ragyam. Huh?
Yeah.
Rajanam.
Rajya.
Anugachantaha sevakaha. Tam means referring to Ragyam.
Sise vishante.
Sise Vishante. I think it's Atmanipada, right? So for Sise
Yeah.
Vishante. Is the form correct?
Karma karaha also we can say.
You can use. Yes, yes.
I wrote Dasaha.
Is a form correct? Sise Vishante.
Yeah, correct. Sise vishante.
So இந்த மாதிரி எழுதலாமா ராஜ்ஞா புருஷ்டதः தாவந்தः கர்மகராः
Oh, why not? Yes. Say it again. Rajnyaha.
ராஜ்ஞா புருஷ்டதः back side of the raja.
Okay. Rajnyaha Prushtataha. Okay. Anugachantaha, Davantaha, whatever it is. Yes.
कर्मकराः तं सिसे विशन्ति.
Why not? Yes. Karaha. Tam Sise Vishante. Yes. They run behind him.
Yeah.
Not backside. They run behind him, you have to say. Okay. Then the servant wants to show it to his wife, the stolen gold. Okay. Wants to show. Dhatu is Darshi, right?
Drishyate.
No. Darshi is a Dhatu.
Nich we have to take.
Okay. Drishya. Darshi.
So
What is Vijantar?
Darshayishati.
Yes, exactly.
Di darshayishati.
Di Darshayishati.
Didrikshayati இல்லையா?
That is Drish Dhatu, right? Drish Dhatu becomes Didrikshayati, right?
Oh, okay.
But here, to show, not to see.
Okay.
So, Vijanta Rupam, right?
Oh.
Didrikshate is to see. Drashtum Icha Didriksha.
Okay.
Darshayitam Icha
Didarshayisha.
Okay. Okay. Who wants to show? The servant, Sevakaha.
Takaha.
Wants to show to his wife the stolen gold. Kim Didarshayitum Ichati.
Swapatanyaha.
No. What does he want to show?
Choritam swarna.
No, not Choritam. Not Choritam.
Pahritam also.
Stolen gold, no?
Swarnam or Hiranyam.
Choritam swarnam, I written.
Yes. Not Choritum. Choritam.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Choritam na idirke.
Chordatu, then Choritam, Swarnam, Vidarshayitum. And to show it to his wife.
Yeah, Swapatanyaha.
Name.
So is it
so we can to show
to his wife, no? So Swapatanyaha. Oh, Ditya.
Patneem will.
Why Patnyaha? Then the Dhatu must be 2 karma it takes. 2 karmas are there. So it must be then Dvikarmaka Dhatu, right? Is Dvikarmaka Dhatu, do we have this, the meaning? Dvikarmaka Dhatu to show, sense of showing. Do we have Dvikarmaka Dhatu taking 2 karmas? We have seen Dvikarmaka Dhatu, right? So you just check. Because here Patni is the one and to whom the gold is shown. 2 karmas are there. So Dukh Yach Patdan Prachi Vichi Bru Shas Ji Mata Busham. Then Ni Hri Krup Krish, no, it's not Krup, I think. Must be Krish, I think. So, so here the speaker has a choice. No, what is a dhatu? Dug dhatu, yash dhatu, pach dhatu, dand dhatu, rudd, prach, chi dhatu, bru dhatu, shas dhatu. So here, I think the dhatu is dvikarmaka dhatu. He wants to show to his wife.
Bhasha also
Or-
comes, actually.
Yeah, but this dhatu is not there. That's why I'm thinking, patni maudika, how can you say?
Patnyaya.
I think so. So the karma, the gold will be karma. Choritam Swarnam wants to show to show his wife. So Patnyai must be. So Sevakaha Swapatnyai to his wife. Choritam Swarnam Vidarshayashati. Because this dhatu is not in the list. So we cannot have Vikarmaka like that. So we cannot say Swapatni. Understand? What did he write as Mehtaji? He said Patnyaha. No, Patnyaha cannot be.
So Patanyaha
No,
pote.
it
Six
cannot
case
be.
like.
How can it be karma? I mean, Shashti Bhakti. It is it Sambandha? No.
He showed it to his wife, Nala.
His wife, therefore, Swapatnyaha. No, that his wife is okay. Swasya Patni, then it's Shashti Bhakti is okay. But you are adding Shashti to the wife itself. His wife is his sense of Shashti, Sambandha. Swasya Patni, Swapatni. Right?
Oh, okay.
And gold is meant for whom? Is stolen that for his wife, whether he gives to the wife or show it his wife. Show it his wife, okay. Then it is sampradana, right? Swapatnyai. You should see, Shashti Bhakti is Swasya Patnyai, you have to say. The Swasya connected to
Okay.
Patni. I make it a compound, simple. Swasya Patnyai Choritam Swarnam Vidarshayati. Should be like this.
Dadati, if he says, then Chaturthi Bhakti, okay. Just he is showing that, no? So, Dvitya.
No. It's, see, not only Dadati. See, Karmana yam abhiprayitum, sampradhanam. This karma, the karma is gold, is meant for whom? Even for whether it is for giving or for showing, whatever it is. It's so patnyai. So karmana yam abhiprayati is a sampradhanam. So wife will be sampradhanam. You need not give it, you can show it also, right? So therefore it is sampradhanam. Not karmana, kriyaya, okay, that is also is that is not applicable here. Kriyaya yam abhiprayati also sampradhanam. Karmana yam abhiprayati sampradhanam. The gold is meant for wife, not for giving, and meant for wife is maybe for showing also. He shows means to whom he will give. Anyway, that meaning we don't have to extend.
She'll take it up automatically.
No, you have to take it as sampradana. See, either you have to take it as sampradana or dvikarmaka, but it is not dvikarmaka, ruled out, because this dhatu is not there. The list.
Okay.
Akatitam cha, that's that sutra where we have only the 12 plus 4 dhatus only. No dhatu, I mean, we can connect to any of the dhatus listed there. So, we cannot use. See, all Nijanta dhatus, we have this problem. Nijanta dhatu, we will, Patayati is, for example, Patayati. Patayati, is it covered in the dhatu, 12 dhatus?
No.
It is there, you can say, because part means to teach, shas.
Shas is there.
So we can connect. Therefore, the karmaka dhatu. Dhatu having similar meaning. But what about this? The darshi. Where is darshi is? Not there, right? So we cannot take it as vikarmaka dhatu. Even if you take it, okay, if you take it as Vikarmaka Dhatu, then it can, karma becomes optional, but you cannot take it as Vikarmaka Dhatu. So karma is ruled out, therefore it has to be Sampradana Chaturthi only. Understand? So I take it as Chaturthi.
Okay.
Okay. Think about this. We'll stop here. See, Taraka is always like that, interesting, and sometimes it takes time to understand. Yeah. But Karaka is important. See, the language is about Karaka and Vibhakti. I think the table, what we are doing, it makes more sense. Slowly we will able to appreciate. We'll see. Okay, other sentences we will see in the next class. Please try.
Okay.
Yes, Ji.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः जी.
धन्यवादः. धन्यवादः, शरद जी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः शरण्जी.
धन्यवाद.